Jess is a little skittish.
So intense. I'm really trying to keep calm and collected right now.
In this video, we'll be touring around the northern part of Langkawi, an island located just a few miles off from the coast of Thailand across the Strait of Malacca.
Langkawi is known for its beautiful beaches and massive limestone rocks that emerge from the ocean, the kind that you only see in the movies.
We found the most popular tour available for our last day on this beautiful island, and we weren't gonna let a little rain stop us from enjoying it.
Maybe a bit better, we got some overcast because it's not as hot.
This tour had so much wildlife, stunning views, and so much more.
Definitely can see why it's the most highly rated tour. Like, it is such a good tour.
Good morning. It is a rainy morning, but we're super excited because today we have the top rated or most rated tour on the entire island of Langkawi here in Malaysia. We can't wait to go check it out.
We don't fully know what's entailed. We were just told to bring a swimsuit, raincoat, flip-flops, bug spray. That's all we know.
And it is raining currently, but the forecast says it should clear up, so we're hoping for the best. Unfortunately, there wasn't a shuttle available for pickup at our hotel, so we have to walk down the main road here to another hotel to get picked up, and then we're off.
This is gonna be a muddy day. I can already tell. It's gonna be a filthy one.
So it doesn't seem like any of them are open right now, but one cool thing about Langkawi Island is the entire island is actually duty-free. One of the biggest things we noticed coming to Malaysia is how high some of the taxes can be, specifically on things like alcohol. But here in Langkawi, it's much cheaper, and you get really great discounts because of that duty-free. You also get those big bags of bulk candy, which, let's be honest, we're kind of sweet tooth, so we definitely take advantage. But yeah, it's something to look forward to if you ever come into Langkawi. Duty-free, much cheaper than anywhere else in the country.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Perfect.
Hope this rain clears up.
He's like, no.
Yeah, I was like, that doesn't sound very convincing that you think it's going to.
Okay, you guys prepared to get wet already?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so we've made it here to the Langkawi Geo Park. Seems to be like there's a number of different tours that they do here, which is really cool. We've got a bit of a wait. The rain still has yet to clear up, unfortunately, but
Still coming down.
the forecast says it should clear up soon, so fingers crossed. We're just waiting to be called for our tour, and then we're off.
Safety first.
We first started off at like a bit of a fish farm area with a variety of fish. There's even manta rays or stingrays. I'm not an expert, I don't know. But we just stopped now at this spot that's really popular for eagles. As you can see, there's a number of them. Langkawi eagles right behind us. The boats here, they just do these laps, the guide was saying, where they stir up the water, and it makes the eagles that much easier for them to get some food and feed. So you can just see them swooping into the water behind us. Absolutely amazing. There's two types of eagles that stop in this spot. The Langkawi eagles that are the big brown and white ones. And then there's the white and black ones that get up to 2 meters wing length. We just saw 2 of them up there together. Absolutely majestic. What an awesome spot. The guide was also saying that there's a number of different places we're going to stop. The next one I'm really excited for. Jess is a little skittish, so we'll see how that goes.
It's the king monkey, guys.
Wow. There's so many monkeys right
There
now.
are so many.
This is so intense. I'm really trying to keep calm and collected right now. There's so many babies and they're so protective of their babies.
Oh my god, she's like right here in front of me.
This is so amazing.
This is super intense.
I am so scared right now.
This is the like experience I was hoping when we went to Monkey Island.
Yeah, we did not have. We got one, I think it was one monkey.
You got one hanging out with you right here.
Oh my god. Don't look it in the eye.
Yeah, don't look him in the eye, they said. He's staring right at you.
I'm really trying to be cool and calm and collected. Oh, that scared me! Oh, oh my god. So crazy. The babies are just so adorable.
Look at this little guy. Look, if this one's coming to say hi.
I'm not. I know. Oh yeah. I don't want to look at them in the eye, but I do. There's so many monkeys. There are hundreds in these trees right now. You can see them all behind us as well. Like there's so many monkeys. Monkey River definitely lived up to its name because there are hundreds of monkeys. It's crazy, and they're just running through the trees, jumping. Like it's so many, crazy. And like they were so close. I was petrified the whole time, but.
Now we're at what's called Crocodile Cave. Don't be confused, it's just because it looks like a crocodile. There are no crocodiles. Oh, but there are more monkeys. Oh.
They said that we may not be able to get into the Crocodile Cave because it's been lots of rain, so the water's high. Oh wow, I think we might be going in. I don't know. Because it seems high. I don't think we were going to be able to get in.
It's just barely not low enough for us to get in. Seemed like Buddy was trying to squeeze us in there for a second, but I don't think they were gonna be able to clear the canopy. There's just no way. Looks like a cool spot though, for sure. If it's low tide, then it might be something to be able to do on another day, but today's just not that day.
It's been raining for like 3 days straight.
Yeah, it's been raining a lot. Crocodile Cave?
I'm not seeing the crocodile.
Yeah, I think it's maybe that bit over there is supposed to look like a crocodile. I don't know. Where's the crocodile part? I don't know. I'm not seeing crocodile. And although we can't really see the crocodile image, you can definitely see the King Kong or gorilla image in the mountain. That was wild.
You definitely saw the gorilla mountain. That was like clear as day. It was like
Yeah.
King Kong.
Yeah, it looked like King Kong on the hill.
Is it maybe just the mouth? Like it's just, you know what I mean? How it's just kind of open?
I don't know. I'm not seeing crocodile at all. I think she can't see shit. All right, so we just made it to our next stop. We won't tell you what it is, but we'll give you a little hint. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. just walked through the back cave and it's pretty cool for sure.
It's very cool. We weren't able to actually talk in there though because A, the bats are sleeping, and B, they're all hanging there. We were told that the poop will actually like fall in your mouth if you talk. So
Yeah. Or as he put it, free lunch.
yeah, so we were like, okay, we're not gonna say anything, and plus you don't want to disturb them because there are hundreds of them just hanging on their roof. Like, it was so cool.
Unbelievable for sure. This tour is just like one thing after another. You can definitely see why it's the most popular tour in Langkawi. For sure.
Definitely can see why it's the most highly rated tour. Like, it is such a good tour.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's sweet too because obviously a lot of it is a guided tour, but there's a few times where it's just kind of like some free time to go and explore all the different places. Like here at the back cave. There's two caves here actually. One of them's a little washed out. Like we said, the tide is a little too high. He recommended we don't go in there because you could twist an ankle or something on uneven ground. And besides, it's like almost up to knee length right now with water, so.
I really like how this tour has hit so many different avenues. It wasn't just the boat tour and then we're having lunch. Like, we've done the caves, we've seen the monkeys. Like, I think it's just really hitting a lot of like my tour criteria.
Checking off a lot of boxes.
It totally is. And then we're gonna have lunch, and then apparently we're actually going to the beach. And I was like, that was not
Beach, let's go to the beach. So, got lunch ready for us.
Looks like fried chicken and rice.
Fried chicken, rice, and a basic salad. Nothing too extreme or outlandish or anything, but hey, I'll take whatever I can get. I'm so hungry right now.
Yeah, enough to fill your belly.
I think we're both so hungry
Yeah.
that we're just happy to get some food, so let's eat it up. Lunch was done. It was pretty good. It's nice to get something in the belly for sure, but we're not done yet. We've got a bit of time on the beach now. It's been a long day. It's been a great day, but it's definitely becoming a long day.
Yeah. I was actually just saying to Kyle, the thing with these tours, there's always a bit of waiting. There's always the waiting between each activity because you're waiting for people to finish eating, or you're waiting for the crew to kind of get what they need to get done. So it is a lot of waiting.
Yeah, but just so you know, if you are interested in doing the same tour right up until the Bat Cave, they do have a half-day option where you don't do the lunch and you don't do the beach. You just kind of get a ride back to the harbor from there and then jump on your shuttle. So maybe would have been something to consider if we had known that it was so long, but still an amazing day.
Yeah, like I totally see why it's the most rated and highest reviewed tour in Langkawi. You hit it all really. Like, you're hitting the beach, you're hitting the Bat Cave, you got the monkeys, you got a boat trip, and that boat was just flying. So
yeah, it was good. Yeah, it's definitely a fun day. A lot of exciting adventures. You get all different kinds of wildlife. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Which is nice because I felt like we haven't really experienced that being in both Georgetown, Penang, and in like kind of the city area here in Langkawi. It's nice to get out into the wilderness again for the first time in a while.
So we would definitely highly recommend this tour, and it was only $54 Canadian, so that's around $40 US. We would definitely recommend this one.
Definitely recommend. We'll leave a link in the description down below if you're interested in checking it out. But time to go hit up that beach. All right, so we've made it down here to Dangjuru Beach. Absolutely beautiful beach. So many things you can do here too. They've got ATVs, paddle boards, kayaks.
Beach volleyball.
Yeah, it's an amazing beach for sure. Way better than the beach we've been staying at. But it's been such a hot day. We gotta get in this water.